everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. If you're new here, please subscribe, please ring the bell so you get all the notifications of all the different videos we do and any live streams we do, and help share our content because we're trying to grow the channel. Thanks to everybody who's already doing that to keep this channel growing and growing. Here's another request, NIO. So I have the daily chart up here. I have the retracements going all the way back to the major key low back. What was that? Let's make sure I got it exactly right. There we go. Back from October 19. All right, daily chart here. You can see we had a nice strong run on it, and then a multi-day decline into the daily rotation zone. By the way, if you're new here, you don't understand some of these concepts, just keep watching on a regular basis and they will get explained. There's also videos on our channel covering some of these topics and how we set up our charts. So, nice strong rotation filling this gap. The full gap fill was to the open of 1246. You can see coming back down here to the bottom of the rotation zone, closing inside it, holding just above the 37.5% retracement. And by the way, if you're new here, we use eighth harmonics and not fib levels. They've proven to be more accurate in my many years of trading and in all the testing and research we've done. All right, strong rotation back up. Let me drop down the 4-hour. 4-hour rotation zone never crossed. So it collapsed, so it went neutral and we were below it, but it did not cross. So minor support is going to come in at 1236 to 1263. But you really have to watch that daily for the major support. Still major support on a closing basis coming in about $11 right now. So on a closing basis, we'll be watching $11. If we drop below the rotation zone and this 1072 price, which, what was this low? 1070, I'd go to 1070. So that would be below the 37.5% retracement. And below this key low, we're looking at a gap fill. The gap fill would be all the way back down to 938, but so far that's held. To the upside, we still have a gap right here. And gaps are like magnets, and people like to fill them and they use them for targets. That's why they generally fill, because people put orders around there for full taking profits just in front of the full gap fill. So the full gap fill here would be this closing price of 1352. So if we start rallying and especially get above about 13, I'm going to be watching for 1352. Then above that, I'm going to watch for 1450, the 12.5% prior retracement level. So these levels work on the way down and up. They're targets that we use on the way back up. And above that, I'll be watching for around 1550. Now, once we get a pausing bar, I'll be able to do some more Gann harmonic projections. But until then, we can't really do it. Just in case I don't follow this stock regularly, if you want it followed regularly, let me know in the comments, and also you can always send us an email to support@pathtradingpartners.com. So I'm doing what's called a reverse Gann box here because it's backwards in time, but it's giving us projections. Should it break above 1644, we'd be watching 1719 and 1794, 1794 being the major level. How we generally play these is we start breaking the new highs. This will be stop reduction, so we start moving, ratcheting up our stock when the first one's hit, and the second one is profit taking of some sort. That's what we have for you on NIO, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.